Hello, I'm Impact Weather Meteorologist Chris Hebert with your Tropics Watch Daily Briefing for Monday, the 25th of August. And as we move into the final week of August, things are beginning to heat up in the tropics. We have Tropical Storm Cristobal just east of the Bahamas, and we have another disturbance out in the Atlantic, disturbance number 21, which you're keeping an eye on. We think that this disturbance is going to take a track very similar to Cristobal near the Northeast Caribbean in about 4 days, 5 days, and could be located very close to where Cristobal is now, just near the eastern Bahamas, in about 7 or 8 days. Some of the models indicate some potential development. Nothing is indicating it's going to strengthen very quickly, so it's probably just going to cause some increased squalls across the Northeast Caribbean in about 4 days, and then perhaps have about a 20 or 30% chance of developing into a tropical depression or storm somewhere near the Bahamas in about 7 or 8 days. So that's still a long ways off. Of course, we have Tropical Storm Cristobal near the Bahamas, and I'll also talk about disturbance number 22 in the eastern Gulf of Mexico. There you can see the latest satellite picture of Cristobal, a very poorly organized tropical storm. The center located right here. All the squalls with tropical storm force winds are located southeast and east of the center. They're detached from the center. There's not any thunderstorm activity over the center, which is an indication that it's experiencing some northwesterly wind shear across the storm right now. Also, it's drawing in some dry air behind a cold front that's moved off the east U.S. coast. And it's that cold front that's going to be steering Cristobal out to sea to the northeast. It'll move slowly northward for the next day or so, then past Bermuda, and by Friday should be passing southeast of Newfoundland as a tropical storm that's probably going to be transitioning into an extratropical storm once it passes Newfoundland late Friday and into Saturday. So no threat to any land areas, at least along the Canadian seaboard and off the east U.S. coast. Probably some squalls in Bermuda over the next 48 hours as it passes to the west. Now, let's take a look at the Gulf of Mexico, where we have disturbance number 22. It's a broad area of thunderstorms out here, and it's not showing any signs of organization right now. But I've been saying throughout the season we have to keep an eye on the Gulf because that's one area out there where conditions are favorable for tropical storm development. Now, it's not showing any signs of organization as it tracks on off to the west. You can see it from earlier this morning, tracking to the west and southwest. It's formed along a weak frontal boundary that slipped into the Gulf of Mexico over the last couple of days, and that's what we're going to have to watch going forward. Now, the good news is that it's not likely to develop. We think there may be a 10 to 20% chance it could spin up into a tropical depression before it moves into the coast of Texas on Thursday. This is the forecast for about midday Thursday. A weak area of low pressure moving into the lower to middle Texas coast with a trough extending northeastward from there. At the very least, what we think it's going to do is produce some scattered showers and thunderstorms for some of the dry areas of coastal Texas and southwest Louisiana come Thursday, Friday, and into the holiday weekend. So I expect more moisture, more afternoon, daytime thunderstorms across these areas Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and maybe into Sunday. But the chances of it developing are fairly low, maybe less than 20%, I'd say right now. We'll keep a close watch on it, though, until it gets fully inland on Thursday and Friday. That's a look at the tropics for today. I'm Impact Weather Meteorologist Chris Hebert. Thanks for viewing.